Welcome to Lesson 4, Multiple Timeframes. In this lesson, we are going to cover how to view one asset over different timeframes and how to know the organization of your charts in a way that you want it to be. So you can, 1. Focus on trading as you're not distracted by unorganized charting. 2. Knowing your chart placement and usage so you can more accurately execute your trades. 3. How to spot ranging markets. And 4. How to spot trending markets. But the first thing you need to understand are the different time frames in MT4. Traders can choose from 9 different time frames. You have your 1-minute chart, your 5-minute chart, your 15-minute chart, your 30-minute chart, your 1-hour chart, your 4-hour chart, your daily chart, your weekly chart, and finally your monthly time frame. We can also view different time frames by right-clicking on the MT4 chart. So if you right-click, find time frames, and navigate to the time frame of your choice. In the next topic, we will be covering a way in which we can manipulate the charts, i.e. choosing the size of the chart by dragging the sidebar here to fit your scale, clicking on the tile button so your charts are aligned in 4 different corners. It's done by hitting window and then tile windows, and this operates multiple charts within the same pane. You can also view your charts by cascading them and horizontally or vertically view your charts. Tile horizontally, tile vertically. Let's go back to our original chart. When we use the tiling option, MT4 will automatically order your charts in the following order. The first tab will be located on the top left. The second tab will be located on the bottom left. The third tab on the top right. And the fourth tab on the bottom right. Let's have a look again. If you use this automatic tiling feature, it will change this order. However, you can change this by changing the order of the tabs. For example, moving the S&P 500 there, for example, or the pound dollar to number 2, window, tile windows, and then it will change the order for you. To view more of a chart, we can either zoom in, zoom out, or drag to enlarge. Use the plus, minus bars from your keyboard or by clicking these buttons on your chart to zoom in and zoom out to view your chart candles more clearly. You can also click on the tab to maximize your chart here. We'll do that again. Now we will talk about scrolling through the charts. With the default, we can't drag across the charts as auto scroll. By selecting this, MT4 will try and show us the current candle by snapping back. As an example, this is the auto scroll button. And if this is clicked, MT4 will snap back to the beginning of it, as so. In order to remove this, deselect the auto scroll button, and this will allow you to go back into the past time to view past price movement without the MT4 having to snap back. However, if you wanted to snap to the most recent tick incoming, you click this button, scroll the chart to the end tick incoming button, and it will take you to the most recent tick. Be careful, leaving the auto scroll button off might lead you to misleading information about the current price. In this lesson, we have covered topics that allow you to focus on trading so that you're not distracted by an unorganized chart, knowing your chart placement and using your MT4 more accurately to execute trades, how to spot ranging markets, and how to spot trending markets through the different time frames. In the later episodes of this tutorial, we will go through more in-depth strategies and how you can use these time frames across in-depth strategies to plan your own personal trading strategy that suits your goals. Thank you very much for watching.